Alright, hi everyone, I'm Sid, and in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to make your life easier in Visual Studio Code by opening a folder or a workspace. So, first thing to do is to open Visual Studio Code, Insiders or Normal. Here it is. So this is Visual Studio Code. I'm on the Insiders edition, doesn't matter which one. So there's two ways you could go about this. The first way is to, well, just click one of these buttons, open folder, or go to file and same thing, open folder. You can also open a workspace from the file the same way. I'll go on what workspaces are later on. So after that, right, Insiders has more updates. And there's one more way to do this actually. So navigate to a project. So I'm just gonna go into my huge nested amount of folders and select something. Ooh, this is interesting. I'm gonna make a project actually. I'm just gonna call it Workspace Test. I don't know how to spell. Alright, and in it I'm just gonna put a files. Let's put e.py, and I'm gonna put one more. I'm gonna put how about just put a random txt file. Bruh.txt. Alright, now what I'm gonna do from here is right click. In my case I have to do show more options. If you're on Windows 10 you don't. And open with Code Insiders. You could also open with Code, but I'm going to do Code Insiders because I like that one better. And see, this bar on the bottom here is blue, which shows that it's open into a folder or workspace. And we have the entire directory over here, and we can access the folders easily. The great thing about this is that you can now, if you open the terminal, you're already in the current directory instead of having to change directory all the way. If I were to show the path, you'll see that I am in the correct place. This is my path. So that's a plus. I can do this again over here. Open folder. I don't even know where it is. Wait. It's over. Let's just do it the quick way. I really need to find a way to make my file explorer better. This is a mess. Alright, and here it is, and then I just select folder, and the same thing happens. So that's nice. And you'll have full access to everything here, and everything works peachy clean. And that's that. Now, workspaces. What workspaces are basically a way to store the current way, like how the entire workspace is formed. So you might need multiple folders in your workspace. For example, I'm going to add folder to the workspace. I'm going to add another secondary project. Maybe you've got two projects you're working on at the same time or something like that. So now I've got two folders here, and what happens is if I try to make a new terminal using Control, Shift, and backtick, it'll ask me which one to use the directory in. So as you can see, the working directory changes. And this is useful for when you just have to separate the files of two projects, but you need to work on them together. Maybe if you're going to copy paste things like that. So that's what Workspace is. And then what you do is just save Workspace as a file. It's going to be called a .code workspace. Pretty sure it's just XML. I don't know. I haven't opened one. But like, now what you can do is I'm just going to put it in the here. Super cool workspace. And that's it. Now, if you ever want to open, okay, I'm going to close this workspace. So now we're back in the home page, and if I ever want to open that workspace again, I can do open workspace from file, go all the way to that folder, and come on, there you are, and open this code workspace, which I'm pretty sure is just, oh, I want to open that as a text. I want to open that in Notepad actually. I want to see what's in it. Come on, there it is. Oh, interestingly enough, that's it. So yeah, it's just JSON, but if you want to ever emulate that yourself, but you just open it and they both show up, easy as pie. So thank you. Use use this to your advantage. That's how to make your life easier in Visual Studio Code and pretty much any other text editor in under 6 minutes, or was it 7? Bye.